Welcome back to the Auto Dynamic. Today, we're diving into a machine that looks like it drove straight out of the future, the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze Camper Motorhome 6x6. This isn't your regular RV. This is an off-road mansion on wheels built to conquer deserts, mountains, snow, and everything in between. Let's start with the most eye-catching feature, the 6-wheel drive setup. Yes, full-time 6x6 traction. That means extreme stability, more torque distribution, and unmatched climbing ability. Whether you're pulling through mud or crawling over rocks, this beast refuses to get stuck. Under the hood, Toyota packs a hybrid turbo diesel V8, tuned for maximum torque at low RPMs. It's powerful yet surprisingly fuel efficient for its size, making long hauls easier on the wallet. Now, let's talk design. The exterior is a perfect blend of rugged and futuristic. High ground clearance, reinforced steel bumpers, roof-mounted LED light bars, side-mounted gear racks, and a full panoramic windshield for unbeatable visibility. The rear even features a fold-out deck for camping or fishing setups. And the matte finish paint with anti-scratch coating ensures it always looks fresh, no matter how hard you push it. Inside is where Toyota goes full luxury. Step in and you're greeted by a smart home on wheels. A fully automated climate control system, touchscreen control panels for lighting and appliances, rotating captain seats, and a panoramic skylight for stargazing at night. The kitchen has an induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, and even a hidden dishwasher. The sleeping area, a king-size expandable bed with memory foam. But wait, the bathroom steals the show. A full standing shower with rainfall mode, heated flooring, and a self-cleaning toilet. This isn't just camping. This is first-class wilderness living. Performance-wise, the Hikecruze is equipped with adaptive suspension, terrain scanning sensors, and auto-leveling stabilizers. You can switch between sand, snow, rock, or highway mode with a single dial. And thanks to solar panels on the roof plus dual battery backup, you can stay off-grid for days without worrying about power. Toyota also added a rooftop drone bay, yes, a built-in drone launcher to scout your surroundings while traveling. And with satellite internet and 360-degree cameras, you're always connected and aware of your environment. So who is this monster made for? Adventurers, explorers, overlanders, or anyone who believes the journey should be as epic as the destination? The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 isn't just a camper. It's freedom on 6 wheels. Let me know, would you take this on a mountain trail or straight into the desert? Drop your thoughts below and stay tuned for more extreme machines, only on the Auto Dynamic.